How to create subscriber in Flodesk from GoHighLevel automatically. So GoHighLevel is an all-in-one sales and marketing platform, and Flodesk is an email marketing software. And in this video, I will show you whenever any new contact is created via form submission in our GoHighLevel software, how using the same information we can instantly and automatically create a subscriber in our Flodesk software. So if you also want to sync these two software in real time, then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the dashboard of GoHighLevel software and this is the dashboard of Flodesk, and in order to sync my new contacts from GoHighLevel to Flodesk, I'll have to first integrate these two applications, and I am going to do that with the Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing and a very cost-effective integration and automation software. I am an existing user, so I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now after reaching out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, firstly click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided, basically I have pasted the name as create subscriber in Flodesk from GoHighLevel automatically. Now simply click on create, and after that you will notice 2 boxes. Okay, so these boxes are called as trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customer. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. Now according to our use case, whenever any new contact is created in this GoHighLevel CRM, well, in order to integrate GoHighLevel with the Pabbly Connect, instead of searching for GoHighLevel, you will have to search for lead connector. Yes, with the help of lead connector only, we are going to connect GoHighLevel with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here you'll have to search this lead connector version 2. Okay, so I have selected the same. So according to our use case, whenever any new contact is created in GoHighLevel, or we can say lead connector, then automatically create the same subscriber in Flodesk. Okay, so let me select the same application in this action window. Okay, so I have selected both the application in the trigger and the action window. Okay, and now the idea here is I am going to connect both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect this lead connector with Pabbly Connect. So firstly select the trigger event, and here I want that whenever any new form submission is made. Okay, you can even read the instructions. Triggers when a form is submitted. Okay, so whenever any new form is submitted, a contact will be created here. So that is why I have selected the same, because I want that this automation should trigger whenever a form submission is made. Okay, now here you can notice as soon as I have selected the trigger event, a webhook URL and few set of instructions have been provided. So basically with the help of this URL only, we are going to build this connection. Okay, so simply copy this webhook URL, go back to your high level dashboard, and here as per the instruction we will directly go to the automation section, then click on create workflow, then we will select a template, and after that we are going to create a new workflow. Okay, so this is the dashboard of GoHighLevel. Here you can find an option at the left hand sidebar, that is automation. Now simply click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then you'll have to pick a template, that is start from scratch. Okay, so I'm selecting the same, and here exactly I am going to search for the trigger event. Okay, here you can notice add a new workflow trigger. Okay, you can also provide a name to your workflow. Okay, so let me edit this, connection with Pabbly Connect. I'm providing this particular name. Alright, it is looking good. Now simply click on this add a new workflow trigger, and here exactly we want that whenever a new form submission is made, the data should be received via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so that is why I'm going to search for the same trigger, that is form submitted. Okay, so here you can notice I have selected the trigger. Now click on the save trigger, and this is how my trigger will be saved. Now in the action I want that this form submission submission data should be sent to my webhook URL. On which webhook URL? Which we have received via Pabbly Connect. Yes, with the help of this URL only, basically on this webhook URL only, we will collect the form submission data. Okay, so let me copy the same and paste it here, and here I have clearly defined that the form submission data should be sent to this webhook URL. Click on save and make sure you change this draft to publish, and finally click on save. And this is how your automation rule, your workflow has been created inside your GoHighLevel dashboard. Come back to Pabbly Connect and firstly notice that it is actually waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so which means it is saying that log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically we are going to make our dummy submission into our GoHighLevel CRM. Okay, so where is the form section? Okay, directly click on the sites, and if I will show you, if I will take you to the builder section, you will notice that I have already created a form. How about I edit this form? Okay, so this is just a basic form in which I am collecting the basic details like the first name, last name, email and phone number. You can create the form as per your choice. Now I am going to preview this form and will make a dummy submission. Okay, assume that someone is actually filling out this form for the inquiry of interior designing service. Let me add some dummy details. So the name will be demo, the last name will be user, the email address will also be dummy, that is demo@pabblytudes.com, and lastly I'll add a dummy phone number, something like 97777777777. Alright, so I have added a 10-digit number. Let me click on this submit button, and here you can notice, thank you for taking the time to complete this form. Someone from our team will contact you shortly. Okay, let me close this page. Coming back to Pabbly Connect dashboard, and here you can notice that as soon as I have submitted the form, the details of that form has been captured. Here you can notice we have the workflow name also, we have the same dummy phone number also, we have other details also like the full name. Here we have the first name, the email address, we even have the date created. All right, we have the contact type as lead. All right, and we even have the form name as inquiry form. So the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between our GoHighLevel CRM and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time any new form submission is made into our GoHighLevel software, the details of that form submitter will be captured via Pabbly Connect immediately, instantly and automatically, because this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so the first step of our automation is done, and now I am going to connect Flodesk with the Pabbly Connect, just like we have connected GoHighLevel and Pabbly Connect. So simply search for the action event. Okay, so I want to create a subscriber here, so that is why I have selected the same. Simply click on connect, then click on add new connection, click on connect with Flodesk, and then you will have to provide the access of your Flodesk account. Okay, well, I have provided this access multiple times, so I can also go with the existing connection. Okay, so clicking on save, and this is how the authorization will be successful and Flodesk will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. If you want, you can also go with the existing connection, but at the first time, make sure you provide the connection. After that, you can also go with the existing connection. Now it is asking several details in order to create a subscriber, so I am going to provide the data only into the required field, only into the mandatory field. Okay, so firstly it is asking the field, choose by which you want to create or update subscriber, by which field. Okay, so I would like to create a subscriber with the help of email ID, because I am creating a new subscriber here, so I do not have any idea of the subscriber. Asking for the field value, enter the field value for the subscriber. This can be either the subscriber email or a subscriber email ID. So of course I am going to add the email ID only. Now from where I am going to provide these details, remember we have just captured the same data into our previous step. Okay, and the interesting thing is I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. Basically I am going to map this data. Okay, And mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me search for the email address with the help of @. Alright, so this is how I will map all the details one by one. Okay, now you must be thinking, what is this mapping? So whatever the details I will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time in next time. Yes, with every new form submission data, the existing details will be replaced automatically. Okay, so I have provided all the details into the important fields. Let me also provide the phone number also. And now finally I'll click on this button and you will notice that how a subscriber will be created into my Flodesk software. Well, here you can notice some some email ID are already present. So how about I delete this existing data and then I will show you everything from scratch. Basically I'll show you how the same contact will be created here. Alright, so I have deleted all the subscriber. Here you can notice no subscriber found. Coming back to Pabbly Connect and clicking on this button, save and send test request, and waiting for the response. Here you can notice the response is received, which is saying that the contact has been created. Let me go back to my Flodesk account and let me first refresh it. Fingers crossed and waiting for the contact to be created. And here you can notice the same contact which we have provided at the time of form submission has been created here. Okay, so here we have the email address and where are other details, I'll have to check. Okay, so how about I click on this segments and data, and here we have the first name of the person, last name of the person, and the same phone number also. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and Flodesk is also working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time any new form submission is made into our GoHighLevel software, the same form details will be first captured via Pabbly Connect, and then Pabbly Connect will immediately create a subscriber in Flodesk. Okay, so this is how you can automate this process. And to automate this process, you need to create this automation, this workflow inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this two-step automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into my description box. So simply click on this link, sign up into the Pabbly Connect for free, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.